We believe that there's a huge power in real-time communications as a platform. You know, the Ship It demo you saw earlier is a great example of about how global software development can be really impacted and improved by real-time communication. And the experience is actually better when we bring it together. We've worked a lot on helping teams structure their work, you know, whether it be with source code or with JIRA and planning. That's a very kind of structured approach to things. And we've got an awesome platform for workflow and structuring things. We've got an awesome platform with Confluence around having things that are a bit less structured, conversations, commenting. You know, we don't really enforce structure, so it's making sure ideas come out freely. And HipChat's a really awesome complement to that, which is it gives you that really awesome real-time platform to it. HipChat may be the biggest user base that you have over the next 5 years as well. So you've seen all the releases that we've done with HipChat over the last 2 years. We made it free last week. There's a free plan in which you get most of the features except for video and screen sharing. So our user bases are increasingly are growing really quickly in HipChat, and it's a huge development platform. So I want to share with you a secret of that Ship It that you just saw. So one of the Ship Its that was in the top 10, there's 7 lines of JavaScript that made that happen. That's it. You guys believe me? This is one of the exciting things about the web is how some of the stuff that we're building is actually a lot simpler. So what we've done this year is we've been extending the HipChat APIs. And what this does is basically allows you to embed a HipChat window into any website. So in this case, it's just a vanilla web browser. You can embed this as imagining you want to chat with an agent, or you have customers where they want to bring some real-time capabilities directly into their products. You can do that. So all the Ship It did is actually added some JavaScript Chrome around the chat viewer that did some of the translations. So sent the translations over to a translation service and decorated some of the chat windows with those little buttons that you saw. So you can actually, we did auto language detection, and we actually decorated some of the windows. So you can see how powerful that is. We're coming out with a lot more kind of JavaScript languages and libraries that you can embed in your apps. So as a developer, really think of HipChat as a development platform. And HipChat's being used internally at Atlassian as probably more importantly than a real-time platform. It's an animated GIF distribution platform as well that's used all over the place. So if you haven't written a bot in HipChat, it's actually really, really fun. A couple of ideas for you is this is the Atlassian Connect's HipChat room, and there's bots running in here that do things like, you know, what's the weather going to be? Can I bike home? And will I get rained on tonight? So just a lot of fun stuff that you can happen in HipChat, which is really fun.